to. My poor husband, the man hates piles, and he married a piler. Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. I am coming off of a serious rut. I blame it on Minnesota's false spring that we have been living. If you have never been to Minnesota, we suffer through our long winter, and then we get the first day of like 60-degree weather, and we rejoice and think, oh my goodness, it's here, spring is here. And then we are always, the rug is pulled right from underneath us. We get slapped straight in the face by Minnesota spring, and literally Mother Nature laughs at us when she dumps a ton of snow, sleet, rain, dreary days. If you know anyone in Minnesota, we need your help this time of year. Send us cheer. That's all we need. Anyway, it has affected me like no other. I have been, I posted my last video, and then I had a list of things I was gonna film and edit, and I have not done anything. I have tried. In fact, I already talked about being in a rut earlier this week, and then I did nothing. I did absolutely nothing. So I decided today I was gonna power through. So I woke up, I did my workout. I have been eating healthy all day. I worked on my office space that I have in our upper level. So I worked tirelessly on my data entry until I got everything entered and done. And then I filled out the second part of my job that I added. I decided this year I'm going to start sending out handwritten thank you notes to all of our customers. And everybody thought it was a great idea. Me in particular, right? It was my idea, and I thought, this is great. And then I started handwriting all of these thank you notes, and I feel like I took on a bit more than I could chew on that one. So I'm a little behind on thank you notes. But being in a rut, nothing really was getting done for me. But like I said, today I decided I'm powering through. I'm starting the week on the right foot, and so far so good. And now I'm going to just do a small task that hasn't really bothered me. I mean, it's bothered me a little bit, but I know it's actually bothering my husband. And it is stuff that kind of piled up in our kitchen, and then I just threw it into baskets and put it in our room. And my husband is way too nice to ever say anything to me about it, and he has not said a word that this has bothered him at all. But I know piles like this drive him crazy, but like I said, I know it probably bugs him, and he just like puts his blinders on so he doesn't see it. I'm gonna take care of this little corner to get myself out of a rut, and to take care of something that is on my to-do list. I will use this as my garbage. We're gonna see how much time it takes to actually clean up this little corner, and how those little projects that we put off because we don't want to do them, how much time it actually takes to get them done. All of my crafty, creative people, I have tried everything possible to get this to stay. So I've got little foam pieces underneath it. But if you can think of a way that I'm able to get this little footprint thing to stay in its place, please comment below, because I've been stumped for like 3 years, because this is his, my son's 6-month picture. Oh my God, look how cute he is. Anyway, I want to get this to stay in place so I can hang it, but it won't stay. So if you're a crafty person, please tell me, what do I need to do to get this thing to stay in its correct position? All right, it took me, let's see, 25 minutes to clear that corner. So I just have to put my sunglasses and scissors. It's the last stuff I have to put away. 25 minutes, so worth it. So there you have it. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Do I feel like my rut is completely cured? I don't know, but I am really hoping. So my tip of the week is if you get into a complete rut, and I mean a rut of cleaning and organizing and just motivation in general. One, if you're Minnesotan, consider moving south. If that's not an option, number two, find a small job. Find a tiny, tiny job and just try and get it done the best you can. So thank you for watching this. If you like this content and you want to stick around a little bit longer, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate you taking the time to spend a little bit of your day with me. And I'm Allie. I'll see you next week. Bye.